explain about the mezuzah. What is mezuzah? Mezuzah is an important thing that you put on the door, the wall next to the door. And if you open this way, then it's this way, then you need to put the mezuzah. And if you open the door this way, then it's this way that it needs to be the mezuzah. Mezuzah is the most important. If you pass the mezuzah, you give her a kiss, and it is the most important thing because it have a secret on it. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Magic! What is this? This rolling paper that is very important, that it describes the Torah. Is a praise Shema Israel, that all day on the morning you do Shema Israel Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad, because it's very important. And if you do this, Hashem is going to be very happy at you. And do you know why I have a shin over here? Because the shin that means Shaddai. That it means that God is here for protect us, and He's strong than any people, than anyone. And Shaddai is one of the names of God. And now you know what it have inside of it. Eu posso ler tudo isso, tipo, eu posso fazer toda a reza que eu sei de cor. So the prayer, tefillah, in Hebrew we call tefillah. Tefillah, we sing like this. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודך, והיו הדברים האלה אשר אנוכי מצווך היום על לבביך, ושיננת לבניך ודיברת בם בשבתך, בביתך ובלבשך בדרך ובשבתך ובקומך, וקשרת מאות על ידיך, והיו לידות טובות בין עיניך, ושבתיו על מזוזות ביתך ולבישריך. There's inside this. And when I said mezuzot and I point to here, because mezuzah, that means one, mezuzah. And when we say mezuzot, that means a lot of mezuzah. Bye guys, it was so nice to explain you.
Shema. בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודך, והיו הדברים האלה אשר אנוכי מצווך היום על לבבך, ושיננתם לבניך ודיברת בם בשבתך בביתך ובלכתך בדרך ובשורבך ובקומך, וקשרתם לאות על ידיך, והיו לטוטפות בין עיניך, וכתב איתם על מזוזות ביתך ובשעריך.